Hi everybody, we use this day the standalone access control Zavag. So we see now how to add card RFID on this standalone access control. So first time put the master code 691 2 3 4 5 6 yes 1 ID user 25 yes and read card yes. Now we can add card. You see now we can open the door. Second time and less time. If you like to delete all user, you put master code 1 2 3 4 5 6 yes 2 after 40 1 2 3 4 yes exit, and then if I put my card I can't open the door. So if you need any other details, call me or put it in the commenter what you need. See you.